boy AJ, and we back with another video, no cap. So look, in today's video, you already see what we got going on. We got the big back up. This motherfucker running. Yes, sir. So today we're gonna be trying to finish. We're gonna try to finish putting the sunroof in. So this might be a part 2 to a video. So no cap, we finna see how this goes. But right now, what we finna do is we finna go ahead and pull the headliner back out of it. When we get done pulling the headliner out, I'm gonna go take it and I'm gonna try to weld the back of this sunroof in so we can go ahead and start doing the body work on it. So that's what we finna get into. I'm finna set y'all up, finna show y'all a little bit of some of what I do. Show y'all how AJ get this done. No cap. And we finna have some fun with this car, no cap. So while it's warming up, I'm finna go ahead and get the headliner back out and I'm gonna turn y'all back on, no cap. Alright y'all, so there you go, as y'all see I already got it out. Cap, I done cleaned up a little bit. I still got a little bit more to pick up, but I'll probably do that a little bit later, you know what I'm saying? But I have to make sure this stay on. You know what I'm saying? Keep playing with it. Got the air going right now. It's chopping good. Get warmed up. No cap, so I'm finna turn the camera around and show y'all what we finna do. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, I missed this little car, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I need it. This probably gonna make me want to go ahead and get the transmission fixed in it. I hope it just, oh, fuck. I'm steady calm myself. I just need to get this thing right, though, before I drive it. Cause I ain't gonna lie. Like I just said, I missed this little motherfucker. I need to get this car back running. Wipe it down real quick. See if I can turn it up for y'all a little bit, show y'all what I'm working with. No cap though, but y'all see with that sunroof and this thing, it look good though. Let me close the door out of the way. As y'all see, no cap, we got this. Got it back cleaning inside. At least where I can move around in it. So right now, I need to go ahead and grab my, I can't even talk, I'm tired. I'm tired. I need to get my ankle grinder. All right, y'all, so as y'all see, we got it outside, and this motherfucker is looking good. Just look how that's in. Ooh, boy, y'all don't know what's coming for this. No cap, but what I'm finna do before I pull off and go ahead toward the sunroof, I need to take this tire and swap it off with this one, because before I cut this one, I need to see what that tire look like up in the front, because if I can get away with using this tire size in the front without having to lower it to match it, make it fit this one, you know what I'm saying? Because when I look at this, you see it. You can see the inside of this fender well, and if I cut that, that's gonna make that gap probably what, about 4 or 5 inches. That's how much travel I'm gonna have in between. And what I'm thinking is, if I take this wheel and drop it, you already see how low it is in the front because it's already lowered. I figure if I take that wheel, cut it, lower it, I might make it too low to where it might fit that, but it might not fit that. So what I'm finna do is take this wheel, swap it out with that one, and then we finna see how that one fit up here. Hopefully it don't rust so I can still drive it and do what I need to. But yeah, that's what we finna get into right now. So I'm finna set y'all up, let y'all see that, and then we gonna go ahead and get ready to do what we need to the sunroof, no cap. So we finna see what this look like. It's right, but it ain't gonna work. No cap. So, as y'all see, we got this thing on. Let me get this back right for y'all. So as y'all see, we think we back down. But when you look at it, no cap. It's the worst situation ever. But you wanna know what's crazy though? Look at that. Perfect fit. So, unfortunately, what I gotta do now is swap it back. But at least now what I know is that all I gotta do is trim this. No cap. And after I trim this probably gonna be perfect. You know what I'm saying? I see it already. So, I'm gonna go ahead, swap the wheels back over, and then I'm gonna show y'all, turn y'all back on when we get to the shop. No cap. Alright, y'all, so as y'all see, no cap, we in this mug. Groove. Like it ain't nothing. No cap. I miss this car, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I feel it already. I miss this motherfucker. Woo! I just wish this motherfucker was shit. Like, with everything that got done to it, I'm gonna show y'all what little we can do. So to show y'all what, if I had the full potential of this car, show y'all what it looks like. And this car on 22s, just to remind y'all. This ain't no stock rims or nothing like that. Like, I like this part because, like, even up there, it's still pulling. Like, you see, it's at 7. And it's still pulling. Like, what? I'm trying to tell y'all, don't get up there now. Shit, god damn it. It's a Crown Vic, but I love this little car, bro. I'm gonna see, is it in the police? I'm gonna see if I can get some. It's like, bit. Now that y'all guys can see, I got this all welded up. I just really got it tacked on as best as possible. And now all I gotta do is go get my mask and do it all the way, no cap, and then we done. But as y'all see, me personally, I feel like it's sitting up high, no cap. So I already went down on that side over there. I'm probably gonna, well, I already did this side a few times, so I'll be all right. So I'm probably just gonna grind this side down a little tad bit more. So when I put the Bondo on there and match, but as y'all see, okay, we almost got it all the way on there flat. We got that on there. We're gonna weld the rest of that up probably tomorrow. And no cap, as y'all see, we looking good. Boom, so as y'all guys see, we went ahead and knocked that out. We only got a few more things with this car. We gonna go ahead, I'm gonna probably do this off camera. I'm probably go ahead, finish welding up, cause I need some more welding spool, another welding spool. So I'm probably gonna do that off camera, but y'all pretty much saw what I did. I just got like really 2 pieces of 1-inch metal. And like I said, we just put it in the corner, made sure the back of it was held up. We welded that up, and no cap, we almost through. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next, cause on gang, look, no cap, we finna turn up. Let's go. Look.